Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, thank you for Encik Mohamad bin Hanizat for joining us today. So our discussion focuses on the intersection of generative AI and Islamic ethics, particularly how concepts like adab, akhlak and guiding principles such as maqasid syariah and fiqh al-mizan can shape the ethical use of the transformative technology. We aim to explore how generative AI can align with the Islamic values, address potential ethical challenge and provide guidelines for its responsible development and use. So your expertise in IT management and also Islamic study will be invaluable in shedding light on this topic.
Adab and akhlaq play a crucial role in shaping how we interact with new technologies like AI, ensuring we uphold ethical and moral standards in both development and use. With that in mind, how do adab and akhlaq influence our engagement with AI?
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi. Okay, to answer to your question, basically adab and akhlaq can teach us to act with humility, respect and honesty in all areas of life, including generative AI. This principle reminds us to use technology ethically and for the benefit of society. For example, respecting privacy means AI must protect user data and avoid practices that undermine trust. By following this principle, we ensure AI serves humanity ethically and reflect Islamic values.
From the perspective of maqasid syariah, the primary focus should be on promoting benefit maslahah and preventing harm mafsadah. So, what are the key ethical considerations developers should address to ensure generative AI align with maqasid syariah principles?
Okay, good one. Basically, to align generative AI with maqasid syariah, developers must prioritize promoting benefit maslahah and preventing harm mafsadah. This includes preserving faith, hifz ad-din, by avoiding content that undermines religious values, protecting life, hifz an-nafsi, through healthcare and safety applications, and lastly, safeguarding intellect, hifz al-aqal, by preventing misinformation. Transparency, cultural sensitivity, and collaboration with Islamic scholars are essential to ensure AI aligns with this principle.
Fi al-Mizan is balancing AI's benefit and harms. First is balanced use. Fi al-Mizan emphasizes moderation. AI should assist human effort without replacing them, avoiding overuse that leads to jobless ethical concerns or reduce human interaction. Second is ethical boundaries. AI must respect religious, cultural, and societal values.
So we will end our discussion with Q&A session. Before that, I would like to thank you again to our expert, Encik Mohamad bin Hanizat. And the question is, from an Islamic perspective, managing IT system can be seen as an amanah. How do you incorporate principle of honesty and accountability when overseeing IT operations?
Okay, from an Islamic perspective, managing IT system as an amanah means we need to ensure honesty and accountability at every level. This involves safeguarding data, maintaining transparency in processes, and prioritizing ethical decision making. By fulfilling commitments responsibly and avoiding harm, we align our work with Islamic values, ensuring fairness and trust in IT operations.